everything that we see around us is because of our visual fields. And because both our eyes are situated in front of our face, this means that the visual field of each eye overlaps with the other. It is because a large part of each visual field comes over the other that we have a phenomenon called binocular vision. Each visual field is divided into two halves, a nasal half and a temporal half or a lateral half. It is interesting to note that light that falls onto the lateral half of the visual field is actually perceived by the nasal half of the retina, and conversely, the light that falls on the nasal half of the visual field is perceived by the temporal half or the lateral half of the retina. Another important point to note is that the information received by the right hemifields, that means the right half fields of both eyes, is conveyed to the left brain, whereas the information from the left hemifields of both eyes is conveyed to the right brain. Let's do a little summary. For example, from the right eye, the axons leave in the optic nerve head to form the optic nerve. They reach the optic chiasm. The inner parts of the optic nerve contain axons on both sides, the right and the left, that cross at the optic chiasm, whereas the outer axons in each optic nerve do not cross. So, post the chiasm or behind the chiasm is the formation of the optic tract. Now, as you understand, the optic tract contains both uncrossed and crossed axons. Finally, this optic tract leads into the thalamus, into the lateral geniculate nucleus, and from there it continues as optic radiations to the occipital cortex.